Bart, my first question, why did you get involved?
Well, as a language teacher, I love to get my students to actually use the language they're learning in an authentic way. By participating in a virtual exchange and meeting real students from real foreign countries, my students had the possibility to actually have those experiences. Moreover, they also had the chance to improve their digital competences, getting to know new cultures, and of course, have a lot of fun doing so.
What did you want the exchange to help your pupils with?
Speaking skills are very hard to practice during regular class hours. Usually, it boils down to have one or two students talking, and the rest of the students is quiet and listening. There are
And
some
for,
students with some serious speaking anxiety, as they feel sometimes insecure about their language level. So I guess I just wanted to help my students feel more at ease using the language, let them practice their speaking skills in a safe environment, and at the same time having fun.
and for you personally, what did you want to get out of the exchange?
Personally, I like technology and I like language learning. I wanted to explore the many possibilities in the virtual world to learn and teach language, to use the language, to meet new people, and all in all have a rewarding, worthwhile experience.
Do you think these exchanges were engaging for the students?
What I observed is that my students were speaking a lot in class. They used German most of the times, not always. They helped each other. They were focused on getting the tasks done. And I saw my students being actually involved in the exchange. So, yes, I'm confident that these exchanges were, in fact, engaging for my students.